In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view pages side by side in Canva. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. On this design we are working on, you can see here it says pages, and you can also see here that it says go to page. You can see the number of pages in this design I'm working on. You can see it's 335 pages. So I'm going to just click on show pages thumbnail. This will show you the thumbnail of each pages down here. So to view these pages side by side each other so you can compare designs, you're going to come over here where it says grid view. It opens your pages beautifully so you can view all your pages side by side. If you go down, you can see all the designs that are in these pages. To return back from this view, you can either double tap on one design to return back, or you just click back the grid view.